Education is an important asset of a country in realizing the progress of the nation. Based on PISA or the Program of International Student Assessment in 2018 shows that the ranking of education in Southeast Asia has decreased compared to PISA in 2015. The decline in the quality of education can occur due to a lack of motivation to learn and educate learning media. Various efforts have been made to improve the quality of education. One of them is teachers and parents who always provide motivation to learn to do their students, but it's not enough, especially in studying complex natural science. So, to improve the quality of education, appropriate learning media are needed. Based on the background that has been described, our team is proud to introduce Android-based interactive natural science education game application. The Android-based Edgame application is the first step in optimizing the role of Generation Z to realize 2030 SDGs through the realization of science and technology toward a golden 2045, namely to achieve the goals of the SDGs in the third year quality education. There are several stages in making the Edgame apps. The first stage is determining user targets and studying literature. Here we choose middle and high school students as our target users, then study the literature. Here we look for some information from journal, knowledge book, and other official internet sources that are suitable for junior high and high school levels. The stage is to develop a game framework. Here we use the Scratch programming portal with the natural process that we use in the germination process of green beans. Then we use various visualization such as green bean seeds, germination, mature green bean plant, and other supporting subjects such as the sun, moon, water, bird, clouds, and operation button. The next stage is the preparation of several questions from the literature study that has been collected. The user will answer the question and if the answer is correct will be worth 1 on the intellectual variable. The advantage of this task force team is that in addition to training the mind to answer questions, it is also interfaced with very interesting natural science phenomena and their process. The last stage is data analysis, with the aim of knowing the success parameter of our task force game. The initial appearance of the ad game brings up the text force logo, then players are presented with a start button, which if the button is pressed, the game will start immediately. As shown in the picture, there are green bean seeds that will grow to level up if there will be sufficient growth factor and players are also challenged to complete the intellectual that we present. In one game, there are 7 until 10 questions that will be answered later. As in the visualization, the sprouts change shape and change the background to daylight. Another change in score was also seen from the growth of the reticula of the sprouts turned into sprouts that had few roots. Change in sprouts like this are believed to facilitate the learning process, especially for students who are in accordance with the basic natural science compared to other types of games. Henceforth, the application of text for the game itself can be developed with the basic of other natural science so that the text force application can be legally published in application download portal so that the text force application can be used by students thereby increasing interest in learning. Based on the method we use to show a game in the form of this application can be one of the educational platforms in the game form. With the dominance of Android-based game like this, you can change the interests of students were initially fixated on conventional game to always study, the Edgame application is considered suitable to be applied as an application education. Thank you for your attention.